winterstorm? Not bad. Well, that's not good. Should I check outside? I'm scared. I might check outside, but I don't want glass in my eyes. I'm just gonna check. It is raining hard, and it's cold as heck out there. Now's the perfect time to go back inside. As I was saying, just go back inside. Man, there's no internet today. How am I gonna have fun with no internet?
I know, right? Like, the weekend started, this week is stressful.
Oh well, we gotta get home fast. The lightning can easily catch us. Come on, quickly! Our house is only 10 miles!
10 miles? We're gonna come back burnt.
I know, but 10 miles is not that much. Is that?
Look who's here.
Where's your friend? What?
Where's your friend?
He never existed.
I mean, where's your friend?
I'm being serious. He's...
I don't see him coming.
Okay. What just happened?
The electricity went out.
Guys, please open. It's me, Azul.
Wait, don't open it.